YouTubers, welcome back to the channel. So today we are in the SLC43 and we're going to be dealing with the auxiliary battery. Why? Because we've got this on our dashboard. So this is what we get coming up on the dash, which means it's time to replace the auxiliary battery. Interesting job because it's actually behind the passenger chair. So let's get on with that. Using the Mercedes part number. There's quite a lot of options, but this is the one I went for. The Mercedes part is roughly about £95 plus VAT. This was £36 including VAT, and it meets the same spec. So all should be good. It has to be an AGM battery and obviously supports stop-start. So let's get on with this job.
6 AM and I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la.
Two bolts and this bracket. Now under the flap we have to remove that sponge, and the battery's behind that. The original battery's out now. You slide it out. I've just put some yellow tape over the terminals so that we don't have any shorts by accident. But let's get this battery out and the new one in. The old battery, interestingly, this part number doesn't match what Mercedes have on their system for the car. Anyway, it doesn't matter because this new battery covers both that part number and the one that was also supposed to be in this car. So yeah, let's get this new one in. Must admit, it's a bit of a backbreaker trying to get to the back there, but let's get this new battery in anyway. Okay, so we have replacement battery in. As you can see, it's just a matter of putting now the rubber back, cleaning it up a bit, and we should be done. I must say, it wasn't a nice job at all. The space you have is just very limited. Anyway, let's get on with it. Okay, all back together. We'll give that a clean in a bit. Let's put the chair back. Right, chair back. Now we'll check our auxiliary battery. No more auxiliary battery errors. So that's really good news, and I would say that is job done.